안녕하세요. I'm Jamie.
No.
What? I wouldn't do it. That's my opening. That's my opening.
Okay.
Okay. Right. 안녕하세요. I'm Jamie.
I'm Alex.
And this is the Mother and Son channel. We will be challenging each other to different challenges that we make up for each other, and usually, most likely, we won't know until we record each other and tell each other what challenge that we have picked for each other. My challenge for Alex is he's going to cook dinner. This is something that he's never done before. I mean, the most that he's done is
I can cook up a PBJ.
a PBJ or ramen noodles.
We got a pack.
He can
it for the
heat
whole
up
family.
something in the microwave. So I think it would be very interesting to see how
I'm gonna make a masterpiece.
dinner would go.
Can I use my phone as like something to help me?
Mother versus son challenge. Alex is going to make dinner. And what I picked out, can you guess what from the ingredients?
That's. I wonder what. Enchiladas?
Yes, very good. Very good. I try to pick out something really easy that you
This
can
is
make.
easy? Oh yeah.
Well,
Can I get my phone to help me?
You don't need your phone because the recipe is actually on the can.
Oh, that's great. Let's start making this. It sure is. Oh, here it is. A half pound of bean. Lean. Not a bean. We got the bean though. Luckily. I'm just running the ingredients. Okay, so we're going to heat the oven to 375 degrees. Lightly greased 13 by 9 inch glass baking dish. In 10-inch skillet. That's a skillet. Cook beef over medium-high heat, stirring occasionally until thoroughly cooked. Drain, stir, blah, blah, blah. So, 375. There. I gotta grease. I might have to do it like this. I'll do it like this. Where's the on button? Tell me how to work this now. Oh, Jesus. How do you work?
What are you doing to the back of it?
Push this button to remove and insert lever. I gotta put it like this, okay? How do you get it attached? Wait, I see. See? It's working.
You just break it.
See? Then how do I start it?
Okay, that button that you hit is to remove it, to clean it. So, like, you have it, like, coming off.
How do I put it back in?
Okay, it's back on.
It's almost thoroughly cooked.
Make sure you chop it up really well. You want it to be really loose meat.
I put this up, right? This doesn't go there.
You're missing a key part of it.
What?
Putting that up under. Okay, lift that thing up. There you go. Now push it down.
Do I hold it? Do I hold it?
You don't need to. There you go. You need to.
Okay, so we got that mixed up. So what we're gonna do? Come here, dog. What?
You're squatting down to read the can.
Too tall for this. Shut up. Okay, so spoon enchilada filling onto tortillas. Roll up and place seam sides down in the baking dish. So I'm gonna wanna have a plate for this.
Okay.
You and Dad are going to have refried beans on the side. Refried beans on whatever. Refried beans on the side of the dish. Because I'm not gonna put them in there.
You don't put them in there anyway.
I bet there's someone that does. Somewhere on this world. Okay, so let's start. How many I want to make?
We can do 2 each. There's 3 of us.
6?
Yeah.
5?
What? This makes 6.
5. Can that thing hold 6?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna eat a tortilla after I make these.
Just a plain tortilla.
Yeah, just like I eat plain bread. Okay, so I'm trying to take this. What do I want to try and do? I'm gonna try and like set this out in formation. I don't want to use too much. I think I used a little too much. How is that good?
It's a bit much. It's a lot more than what I would use.
Okay. How much? What?
That might be alright.
Making the most what I can do. You got this. Take this. And we're gonna do.
Okay, stop.
What?
You're gonna have to roll it up a little bit more than that. Now, do you remember what it said about the seam?
That's these size, right?
Mm-hmm. What did it say about it?
Put them on that. Put them on that side.
So, you're gonna need to flip it over.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, we got one. I'm gonna go for number 2. I'm just gonna lay the tortilla I'm gonna eat on the side. Progressively while I make the food. I'm almost hungry. So, it's gonna be a lot, okay? Okay. What if someone actually like makes this from scratch off of what I'm doing? Like, people are gonna watch this for me being master chef that I am.
You never know.
I'll drop a few pieces, I mean, who cares? You know what you do when you drop a piece? You eat it. Oh, just clean my hand. Oh.
You don't really have to use this yet.
What?
'Cause it's not hot yet.
Put that in there. So 17 minutes.
17 minutes?
18 minutes. 15 to 20.
Ah.
So, we let it bake.
Alright.
That was quick.
Why are you touching
Hey.
your face and head?
What? I can turn the stove off after this, right?
Mm-hmm.
By the way, dog, let's see it get burnt.
Okay, I'm lighting.
You know, it's all next one.
Be careful.
After that, she said it looks pretty good.
Yes.
This might need some editing. It's fine. It's just really zoomed in. Why do I feel like it's? Why do I feel like it's doing that thing? I don't think it's zooming out. It's not zooming out.
Maybe your next challenge should be learning how to use a camera.
Oh, I did it. I was zooming the wrong way.
Good job.
I did enjoy your food, Mom.
It's very good. Good job.
Also, please like, comment, and subscribe. That would be nice. We like new subscribers. We like to get likes from people so we know that we're making good content. And if you can, comment down any ideas for what my challenge should be for chef. I mean, you can come here. You can call me Alex if you want, but I prefer to go by Chef Master Alex. I'm as good as I'm as good as Ramsay.
Oh yeah, you've never made
The
anything.
lamb sauce.